Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about the iQOO 13. And honestly, this phone is seriously impressive. If you're someone who loves powerful smartphones, gaming, or just wants a smooth experience without spending crazy flagship money, then this device might actually surprise you. So first, let's talk about the design. The iQOO 13 comes with a very premium look and feel. It feels solid in the hand, and the build quality is definitely flagship level. Plus, you're also getting IP68 and IP69 water and dust resistance, which means it's more durable than many phones in this price range. Now, the display is one of my favorite parts. You're getting a large 6.82-inch 2K AMOLED panel with a 144 Hz refresh rate. And what that means in real life is everything looks super smooth and sharp. Whether you're scrolling social media, watching videos, or playing games, the experience just feels fluid and premium. Speaking of performance, this phone is an absolute beast. It comes with the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, which is one of the most powerful Android chips available right now. Apps open instantly, multitasking is effortless, and gaming performance is just next level. Even heavy games run smoothly without lag, and thanks to the advanced cooling system, the phone doesn't overheat easily during long gaming sessions. Now let's talk about the cameras. On the back, you get a triple 50-megapixel setup, and on the front, a 32-megapixel selfie camera. The photos come out detailed, colors look natural, and you have multiple shooting options like ultra-wide and zoom. For social media, content creation, or daily photography, the camera system is definitely reliable. Battery life, you're covered. The phone comes with a 6,000 mAh battery, which is huge, and it supports 120-watt fast charging. So if your battery ever runs low, you can charge it back up super quickly. We're talking around 20 minutes from zero to full. That's insane. So overall, the iQOO 13 is a complete package. Powerful performance, beautiful display, strong cameras, big battery, and ultra-fast charging. It's definitely a phone designed for people who want flagship performance without paying ultra-premium prices. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss upcoming tech videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.